Voter Address Correction Online SIR. Update your voter address in just 10 minutes. Hello friends, need to correct your voter address under the SIR process? Don't worry, in this 1 minute video, I'll show you how to complete your voter address correction online in just 10 minutes using Form 8. First, visit the Election Commission's voter portal and log in. Next, select Form 8, which is used to correct or update voter details, including changing your address within the same constituency. Verify your voter information, enter your new address, and upload the required supporting documents. Before submitting, carefully review all the details to make sure everything is correct. Once you submit the form, you'll instantly receive an application reference number. Shortly after, you'll also receive a confirmation message from the Election Commission that your application has been successfully received. The entire process is simple, fast, and can be completed from your home in about 10 minutes. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more technology tips and government service guides. Thank you for watching. Jai Bharat. www.bharatbaba.com